Now to a breakthrough discovery being called a game changer in the opioid epidemic. Scientists creating a new vaccine that targets fentanyl, the deadly synthetic opioid that can kill with just a small dose. NewsNation's Nancy Liu is live. Nancy, you have been digging into how this would work.
Yeah, and their research is offering a lot of hope. With enough fentanyl out there to kill every single American and about 150 deaths a day, a vaccine would certainly save a lot of lives. Researchers are racing to make it happen. The work has been underway at the University of Houston, development of a vaccine to combat opioid use disorder, or OUD, and the countless tiny pills out there fueling a deadly crisis.
80 to 90% of individuals with opioid use disorder relapse at some point.
Dr. Colin Hale and Therese Costin are among those working on a fentanyl vaccine.
If someone takes fentanyl and has been vaccinated, the antibodies produced by the vaccine bind to fentanyl and prevent it from getting into the brain altogether.
While a vaccine could end the cycle of addiction, it would not prevent accidental overdoses among those experimenting with street drugs, which are often laced with fentanyl. So Narcan remains a timely lifesaver in those cases. For addicts, the future possibility of regular vaccinations would likely be more effective than daily therapies like methadone.
So every day, you need to make that decision that you want to quit using drugs. Whereas with a vaccine, you only have to make that decision, once in a while.
There are few American communities unaffected by the opioid crisis. For the Rhodes family of Virginia, a tennis injury led to addiction and the overdose death of their 20-year-old son, Taylor.
Nothing prepares you for, what that's like as a mom. It's the worst moment of my life.
Now, in lab studies, there were no adverse side effects from the experimental vaccine, and researchers hope to begin human trials soon, but realistically, a fentanyl vaccine is at least a year away, and Nichole, it also depends on funding for all of the research.
Yeah, but potentially a major game changer. Okay, Nancy, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.